Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'm back again with another video. And happy Easter to those who are celebrating Easter. Happy Passover to my fellow Christian believers. And today in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of wireless music head, which I think is something that's going to come in handy for those of us who are in winter season, especially in the southern hemisphere. So I'm just going to go ahead and unbox it and then show you guys what's inside this. I haven't seen this product anyway, and I tried to research about it, and this is what I found. So without any waste of time, this is the packaging. This is not any brand, it just says wireless music head. So this is how it's packaged when you get it, and then they give you a little bit of features on the side, even on the box. So let me just go ahead and open it. And the one that I chose, there was white and a gray one, which is the gray one that I got here. And then what you find in the package, you find this head, and inside this little bit of some mineral. And let's open it and see what's inside. So you find this micro USB cable. I believe this is for charging. And the next thing that you find is this manual and some instructions, and the head itself. And I don't remember choosing the size. I don't know if there's any size anyway, but I hope this is gonna fit in my hand. So before we test it, I'm just gonna go through the specifications of this head, since today I'm gonna be categorizing it as a gadget, not just any head. So there's no includes, okay, it just shows what's included. Is the instructions, which is this, the cable, the head, and what else? Earphones. So the speakers, they call them the earphones. All right, but I managed to find some specification online, which it shows that it has a Bluetooth version 3 with EDR, and then it has a frequency of 2.4 gigahertz, which is good. And then the transmission distance between the beanie and your playing device, it says to be about 10 meter. And then it also has a mic range of 1 meter. And then the battery capacity of this speaker, or the battery in this speaker, is about 100 milliamps, which takes about 2 hours to charge, and then 3.5 hours talk time, and then it has 60 hours to standby. So the talk time and the music playback is the same thing of 3.5 hours. And then I'm not gonna go through about the dimension, because this, I think it weighs about 200 grams. Yeah, so let's go ahead and test it. So I'm gonna be using the Huawei Mate 20 Pro to test this, which I've been playing with around for some time. So if you haven't checked that video, I'm gonna link it on the description section below. So let's see how to switch it on. I'm hoping it's charged. And so to switch it on, you just press on the play button, and then it will start to switch on. So let me go to my device and see if I can find a Bluetooth device that's on. Bluetooth. Where are you? There we go. Bluetooth. Switch on. BT01. It says connected, and let's put it on. I don't even know which side it's right, which side is left. Guess this forces you to fully cover your ears so that you can have the speakers covering your ear. So let me see if I can play something. I don't even have music on this phone. I'm gonna go to YouTube and let's find a song. I'm gonna choose Chelsea Cutler. Okay, this music head, it sounds good. I won't lie, the quality is not the best like any other premium brands or anything decent, but when it comes to the comfort and the way it fits in, it's just like perfect, and it feels warm and light at the same time, so which is something that I can recommend. It will be easy for someone to use this when they're listening to music, as well as answering the call, as having to put their phone on the ear, especially now when we're approaching cold season. So consider getting this, and yeah, that's pretty much about this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for tuning. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do yourself a favor, click on the red button below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification button so that you get notified